Things were pretty tough. So, but I just had to not go back. I just had to keep moving forward. I knew that I could always go back to the surveying, but something inside me just said, no, you need to try and battle through this and do this on your own. And then it got to like quite a dark kind of 3-4 months of like no work coming in, nothing on the horizon. And then like panic stations started to kick in. And I'd seen your stuff over the years on various channels, email marketing and things like that, and then videos you were posting on Facebook. And I just decided to just take the leap and give it a go because, like I said earlier, I've got no kind of video business background. I've never even worked for another video company. So everything I've had to do, I've just had to kind of learn on my own. So yeah, I actually borrowed the money to take on the course from my fiance. So she gave me the leg up, and I just got in touch with you, and then the rest is history. We went from there, and now here I am today, kind of fully booked, and yeah, money in the bank, great cash flow. My accounts are all in order, and yeah, it feels like I'm running a business finally.